Billing rates for ceiling fan replacements vary significantly depending on location, electrician experience, and market competition. Here are some approximate estimates from electricians around the country. Major metropolitan areas such as New York and San Francisco may range from $250 to $350. Mid-sized cities like Indianapolis and Denver could range from $200 to $250. Small towns and rural areas might be $150 to $200. Several factors affect the overall cost. Firstly, labor. 2 hours of work is a reasonable estimate, but it can vary depending on the complexity of the job. Secondly, travel time. Travel time varies depending on the distance to the customer's location and traffic conditions. Thirdly, materials. The cost of the fan is usually purchased by the customer. Fourthly, permit fees. Permit fees vary by location. Fifthly, electrician experience. More experienced electricians generally charge higher rates. Sixthly, market competition. In competitive markets, electricians may offer low rates to attract customers. There are some additional considerations. Remote locations may require additional travel time and expenses, which can increase the cost. Emergency or after hours work typically incurs a higher hourly rate. If the electrician needs to perform additional tasks, such as installing a fan-rated box or wiring, this will add to the overall cost. An estimate of $200 plus permit is within the range of what other electricians charge. Customers may be surprised by the cost if they are not aware of the typical rates for electrical work. It's a good practice to explain the reasons for the estimate and provide clear communication on the services included.